Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. It should look something like this. Now if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, if you have a case, take it off. And the tray is located at the bottom of the device, as you can see right over here. Now there will be a bunch of tiny little holes that look like an insert pin for this, or insert hole. But the one that you're looking for is the one that is part of the cutout of the tray, which is this right here. So it's the closest one to the edge. Now push the pin in, and the tray should come out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it. Take it out, and on the tray you will have space for two different SIM cards on either side. Now if you're planning to use the bottom one, the card will be held in place. So when you flip it over it won't fall out, but the top one, if you flip it over it just falls out, because I guess Samsung decided that it would be too much work to add this tiny little plastic little holder right here on the other side. So yeah. Anyway, from there we're just going to insert it back into our device, and the card should start working right away. Let's give it a second. And we get reception. There we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.